so excited to be participating in the Sunday Funday Open Invite Challenge hosted by Janny and Dyanne of Deco and of Yvonne of Ginger Chick Rehab. These are the sweetest ladies. They're very supportive, and I really enjoy their channels. They'll be listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. Please go check them out. I am keeping it very simple today, and I thrifted a few new items for Thanksgiving. I got this little Thanksgiving angel for $2 at Salvation Army, and I'm just going to put it on the tier tray that I had made previously a while back. Now I'm adding the little pumpkin topiary I made in a previous project a couple of weeks ago that I used in a thrifted candlestick that I made. I thrifted this little picture that I used a while back also. These pumpkins I got at Dollar Tree, and I just think they're so pretty. They're ceramic, and I thrifted this turkey for $1.49 at a different thrift store that we have in town, and I think he's rather handsome myself. I got these cute little cup and saucers at that same thrift store for just 99 cents for the both pair, and they're very pretty. I love the way they look, and I thought they would be nice on a tier tray. Now this acorn I showed a while back, but I got another little box that had this fall filler in it, and so I put it in the acorn to bring color. And this Hope and Faith was a Ray Dunn inspired craft that I did a while back just using candle jars. And I love these apples that I got. These came from the Salvation Army, and I think they were $1 a piece of the packs, not of each apple, but of each pack. But they would be great for fall or Christmas. And they're just so vivid and pretty red. So I just use a few of them around on my tier tray. These owls are salt and pepper shakers, and I got these at the Dollar Tree. So I was going to use one of them. First I was going to put it at the top, but you really couldn't see it. So I ended up moving it later on. I got these pretty fall picks from Walmart, and actually they're cheaper than the Dollar Tree. They were 98 cents. And here I'm moving my owl. I decided to put him down on the bottom of the table. But the picks are just so pretty, and the white brings out the color, I think, of everything else. And I draped my fall beads that I made a couple of weeks ago, and just drape them across my acorn dish. And I'm really happy with the way it looks. I think it's beautiful. And here it is all together. You can see my turkey down there, the pretty pumpkins, my little cups and saucers, my autumn angel, and my little pumpkin topiary. I really like how this turned out. I think it's beautiful. I hope you like it too. If you enjoyed this, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment. And thank you, Janny, Dyanne, and Yvonne for hosting this. I really appreciate it. Please go check out their channels. You will not be disappointed. So until next time, bye y'all.